Alright, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make those headlights just like that.
Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
Regular water. 600 sandpaper. $2K clear. So first you gotta shake it for 1 minute. Then you put this cap on the bottom and then you shake it for another minute. You remove this cap right here once you shake it for 1 minute. So we're gonna remove this right here. Okay. And this we're just gonna throw it away. Then we're gonna take this right here and put it right in the middle. Just push it. Push it like a man. Really? Like that. Just push them in. Once it breaks, that's it. You can just take this and throw it away. Now we're gonna shake it for another minute. All right, so after you shake it for 1 minute, 1 minute without mixing it, 1 minute after you mix it, now we're ready to spray. So, I'm gonna take you closer right here. You can see what I'm doing. So the first coat, I'm gonna try to do it a little bit light. Like that, and now I'm gonna go up and down. Now we're gonna let it dry. Wait 10 minutes. So this first coat is light. The second one, I'm gonna do it real heavy. So we wait 10 minutes. All right, so I wait 5 minutes, not 10 minutes. I wait 5 minutes because this thing has a good harness, so you know it dry fast. So now we're gonna go for the second coat. That one's done. And that one's done. Now we just gotta let it dry. And you'll see.